This video is about our ride in the uh, eastern side of Arunachal Pradesh, which is a northeastern, state in India. But I want to talk about a person who did organize this tour. Her name is Samira Daya. If I have to give a background about her, um, she is an adventure, motorist. She comes with a record like the fastest all India record that she made, doing the 28 states across India in a span of 30 or 31 days. So it's something very adventurous. Uh, had some injuries on the way, but in spite of that she coped up and she did complete. Shrewd, adventurous person. Good that I could join her this time. Tour was well planned. It did happen to be like a 12 days program, and in those 12 days we have to cover around 6 to 7 places, beautiful places, but it is very hilly, and the terrain was very tough. Good off-roading experience we could get, and we have to wait at some places, but it was good experience so that we could move around the local place, visit the people, talk to them, understand about the culture, because the entire Arunachal Pradesh is more of a the tribe oriented culture down there, and um, they all speak good Hindi, English, and their local tribe language, but generally it is more of English and Hindi there, so it is easy to communicate, and a good experience we all could get. The team size was only six, three women and three men, and we had a backup vehicle too. All through, the food was good, the homestay was good. We could pitch in tents near the riverbed and we could stay. So it had a various natural elements into this the entire tour. The experience was very lively. I want to share some of the the ideas that I implement, or as a group we also do some, like when we ride, when we go on motorbike rides or somewhere on a car or something, at least how good contribute back to the the mother earth or the society or to the community. So something a small initiative that could help, but predominantly these initiatives are can be done within the like certain geographies, uh, like for example, we all consume fruits, eat fruits, vegetables. Some of the seeds we throw away. Don't throw. You collect it. You dry it. You can carry it when you travel all along these places, wherever you find water body or some slushy areas, and you feel. I'm talking about the forest and the areas where you can plant. It's not that on all the we need to be very mindful and careful also where and what we do, so that if you have to seed it, you can put it in a proper place, so that nature will take care of itself. The seeds will grow and you can see a plant later.
Life data. Hi. Thanks for coming, to my channel. Today I just had thought in my mind. It's good we are writing all through. I wanted to understand from you some of your experience and how it can help the women, the folks, what wants to start writing, and how already a seasoned writer can better their skills, writing skills. Right. So about all this, we do that is the purpose. Let's start. Okay. All right. So, first of all, my full name is Samira Dahiya. I come from our state of Haryana. I was born there. I was studied in Delhi.
and I started my professional career as an IT professional in Bangalore 2011. But वो career थोड़ा 5 साल में डगमगा गया because I started riding motorcycles. Initially, it was purely a thought of just trying something new. Honestly, it was not something that I'm breaking the barrier or something like that. I didn't even know at that point of a time. It was purely something that I wanted to try because I was bored with the regular IT work. Like we all know that how the city starts eating up us after some time with that monotonous way of life. Or on in that mindset, I tried like hiking, trekking, partying, doing all the things, but कुछ भी content नहीं था. It was always like okay, something is missing, something is not right. And then one fine day, a friend of mine invited me to go to Goa as a pillion in 2014 for Ridermania. That was my first time ever sitting on a motorcycle for such a long distance. Before that, when I was young, I was a kid. I used to go on scooter with my father. Even he took me to all my colleges and all those kind of pick up and drop. I've that time also I have approached my father once कि क्या मैं आपका एक बार scooter चला लूँ. So he wasn't very comfortable to giving me the scooter, and he said it's okay. Buses are there. You can travel by buses. You don't need a two-wheeler. And that was purely I think a concern of that the understanding because we women or as other folks we don't get the understanding and knowledge of road riding and safety in our early age in schools, which I feel that's a very crucial important part of life. And because of that miss of education and awareness, all the parents always says no, and we just say that okay 18 एज में ही गाड़ी चलाना, उससे पहले क्यों नहीं चलाना, कैसे चलाना है. We have a good span of time to train our kids that when they go on a road when they are 18 they have the awareness of everything. So because of lack of that I didn't get a chance. But Bangalore में when I rode, I went as a pillion. It was very like a raw, didn't know riding gears and stuff like that. I did couple of more rides with the group. That was a time when I got introduced that okay, this is called motorcycling. It's a club. It's a community, and I was very fast in picking up stuff. So I got bored going as a pillion for a couple of more rides, and then I decided why can't just I pick up my own. But the first thought came was to go and pick up a scooty. I wanted to do a ride to Pondicherry. And I thought I didn't know how to ride a motorcycle and I didn't know to whom I should go and ask कि मुझे बाइक सिखा दो. तो I thought स्कूटी ऐसा है कि मैंने and I didn't even ride स्कूटी उस टाइम पे भी. The thought came in, मैं स्कूटी भी कभी नहीं चलाया था. So I just thought of okay चलो पौंडीचेरी जाएंगे, किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी. I wanted to discover something about myself and the first thought came was scooty. But then I discussed with my friend, he suggested why बाद में तेरे को बाइक ही चलाना है. I know you're gonna get bored with scooty soon. फिर तू बोलेगी अभी क्या. So better invest on a motorcycle और वहाँ से ही शुरू करते हैं. तो मैंने बोला who will gonna teach me? So he said okay I'll give you my 15-20 minutes. उसमें जो जितना सीख सकती है तू सीख ले. बाकी bike is gonna be yours. Then the journey of as a motorcyclist started from there. कि पहले जाके बिना learn करे bike second hand खरीदना.
This was in the principle.
This was in the year of 2015.
Oh.
हाँ, तो 2015 around
14 you take to go.
14 the journey started. Yes, finally the time came जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि okay I can take that step to start learning and riding. So first hurdle was picking up a bike. So I picked up a second hand bike thanks to my friend. He helped me out, and after that I started riding. My 15 days I self taught around my घर के पास, ऑफिस जाने से पहले, ऑफिस से आने के बाद. And then I took my first challenge in 2015 September where I went to Coorg alone, अकेले. मुझे उस टाइम पे नहीं पता था उसको सोलो राइडिंग बोलते हैं. मुझे एक हेलमेट था, जैकेट था, जूता था और मैंने एक बैकपैक लिया बंजी से और एक मैं आई वाज नॉट इवन यूजिंग गूगल मैप्स. सो मेरे पास पेपर में जगह के लोकेशंस थे. लैंग्वेज भी नहीं आता था. कभी सिटी के बाहर राइड भी नहीं किया था. 15 days ही हुआ था just to start that, and I took a challenge to go 600 kilometers 6 days for all by myself. That was the most uh, iconic point of life for me. It's a game changer, and I would also say iconic because अभी तक तो I have done so much. I've crossed a lot of milestones now. लेकिन वो पहला मेरा milestone था. So that was the most iconic thing for me. और उसके बाद जो confidence जो है of me being, मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. No, that's I handle every situation by myself. और वापस आने के बाद I got this kind of feeling कि मेरे को और करना है. I want to explore more. Then I did Ridermania 2015 में नवंबर में. उसके बाद मैंने मेरा पहला longest ride किया पल्सर पे वर्कला के लिए बैंगलोर से. So it was a 720 kilometers. So I went with a random group of guys. तो मैंने पहली बार वो नॉन स्टॉप मतलब एक स्ट्रेच में 600 kilometers चलाया. So my vision, मेरा विजन वहां से बहुत बढ़ गया. और honestly sir, for me fear was never a challenge. मुझे डर लगता है, मुझे रोड फोबिया था, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्सीडेंट फोबिया था. लेकिन आई थिंक दिस वाज द राइट थिंग फॉर मी, क्योंकि मैं धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग माई सेल्फ. कि मुझे लगा वो सिर्फ इट वाज जस्ट एक भ्रम था वो, कि हाँ मुझे डर लगता है. लेकिन डर तो होना, आई मीन द फियर इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो दैट्स हाउ माई जर्नी स्टार्टेड. एंड उसके बाद 2016 and now we are sitting in 2025 pretty much on the same time. Beautiful 10 years, 9 years I would say, of this exploration what I have done in India.
So one of the things you said that you previously were for
Yes,
you have the engineering background.
yes,
Get into the so almost you have taken writing as a profession.
yeah.
And what other activities that you do within the writing space?
Okay, so when I took a decision of leaving IT 2016, that time I had only one thing in my mind, that because I know how to write, and the challenges what I faced doing the self learning. So पहला thought यही था कि I'll start training women, but that was just within a year that I thought of leaving job and starting training. I was not ready to be a trainer, because I had to learn a lot.
Yeah.
So I got a really amazing partner. He become my guru. He become someone who I chose the path, and he become somebody जिसने मुझे उस path पे कैसा चलना है वो बताया. And I constantly start working on it. So I got lot of opportunities, और मैंने कभी भी opportunities waste नहीं किया. मुझे 2017 में TVS ट्रैक रेसिंग करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, तो मैंने वहां गई. आई डिड ट्रैक रेसिंग 3 साल के लिए TVS में. वो बहुत अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी था सीखने का, ट्रैक पे चलाने का. उसके साथ साथ आई वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ टूरिंग. मैंने कुछ बहुत छोटे छोटे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ जॉब किए पार्ट टाइम, ताकि आई कैन फ्यूल अप माई एक्सपीरियंस इनटू मोटरसाइकिलिंग. तो मुझे ये चीज आ गया था समझ में कि अगर जब तक मैं अपना खुद का होराइजन एक्सपैंड नहीं करूंगी, कुछ सीखूंगी नहीं, इफ आई डोंट लर्न, आई कैन नॉट ट्रेन एनीबडी, आई कैन नॉट वर्क विद अ ब्रांड. एंड समवेयर आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल नॉट बी एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, because I wanted to be get into the core of motorcycling. So currently, then in 2018, professionally I started training women. From 2018 to 2021, I've trained along with my friend. Together we have trained 200 plus women in Bangalore. हम लोग group training करते थे, and then my friend got married. Then I did one-on-one trainings for 2 years, and उसके साथ साथ में I started creating rides and activities for different clubs, for women riding clubs, for independent clubs.
Yeah.
And then I also did one event in Bangalore called as the Bikerni Within, when I was a part of a group called Bikerni in Bangalore. That was a community event. So that was run from 2019, 20, and 21. 19, 20. 3 साल हमने वो रन किया, और वहाँ से मुझे बहुत कनेक्ट हुआ. एंड आई वाज डूइंग माय पर्सनल टूर्स, ट्रैवल, राइडिंग विद माय पार्टनर, going across India.
Yeah.
And then 2020 was the icebreaker where me and my husband both attempted the fastest all India record on 2 motorcycles. And that was the gate opening for me, जहाँ पे मेरे पास opportunities start होने लग गए where I start exploring my expertise into professionally curated work. तो मैंने rides, activities, events, community build up, tours, वहाँ से 2021 से मेरा जो professional journey है, which I'm pursuing now, has started. Or there was no profile as such in the market which I've curated for myself, because as being in women, we have a lot to learn, because two-wheeler and four-wheelers are not our choice from the start. We always be given गुड़िया से खेल लो, घर घर खेल लो, kitchen kitchen खेल लो, and I was never been that girl जो वो सब करती थी. And मुझे लगा कि उस टाइम पे अगर we will get that kind of push and like motivation to ask us कि हमें क्या पसंद है, which the time has been changed now. Now the kids are coming into motorsports and it's opening wide, and I'm so grateful now कि मैंने वो थोड़ा कीड़ा छोड़ा नहीं, कि I never left that thought process of me कि यार इसमें और I just got into the zone कि और क्या कर सकते हैं, और क्या कर सकते हैं. So 21 to 25 now, I have built up a profile which is a motor consultant profile, for where I work as a freelancer with brands. I make community build up for them in South India. And in the same profile, I work with Hero. I am working currently with C8. I work with Apollo Tires. I work with KTM, curating their rides for women and also for a mixed groups. And I'm an adventure junkie. So unfortunately, कभी-कभी मुझे मेरे जेंडर की वजह से बहुत brands adventure tours नहीं देते हैं करने के लिए, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि probably my expertise are not there. But honestly, sir, I have been training myself for last 6 years into off-roading and adventure riding. 2020 से मैंने rally racing start किया, मैंने INRC किया, I have done my Sajoba rally. और उसके साथ साथ I've been doing a lot of rides in Northeast and Ladakh, where a different exposure has been came into my expertise, is converted into my expertise. Exposure एक हम explore करते हैं, उसके बाद हम छोड़ देते हैं. But I wanted to make it more interesting for me, so I started making it as my expertise. और and now I also मैंने अभी थोड़ा अपना training भी change किया है. I started training women into adventure riding, क्योंकि that is what is going to be our next 10 years in India. And we have an amazing landscape, we have amazing places to go, and I think adventure has to add on it. और adventure का मतलब सिर्फ पत्थरों पे चलाना नहीं होता. Adventure is the kind of tarmac terrain you're going for. Like, as you know, we have been riding कितना अभी तक 800 किलोमीटर हम सिर्फ कर्व ही चला रहे हैं. We hardly get that straights. When we get straights, we feel अच्छा we in a civilization. So now my work got shaped up there, और मैंने I started my platform called Moto Adventure with Samira, which is purely to curate tours in India. Abhi to currently in India. Hopefully in future I can start doing something overseas as well, as my experience go. And I'm adding a lot of bits into the work. I'm getting a good recognition on my hard work and the kind of things I put it across. So this is what my professional journey into motorcycling.
Definitely see that passion you have, how you want to build this community, towards future cycle. So that is very much useful.
Yeah.
So if I have to ask you one question,
Yes.
the, young girls, or even for women, age is not a criteria. We do have a women rider
59 years old.
too good.
Too good, yes.
The confidence she's getting.
Absolutely.
All the she's come down here and she's riding.
Riding along with us.
Something great and good to see. The encouragement that's happening.
Yes.
What one thing you would advise for the young girls, kids, and also the women?
Women. Yeah.
For them to think about, this is not something that it can't be taken up. So
Yes.
how will you put it?
So, see, first thing first, I always tell that when we start doing something, it's never be a first passion. It's always a hobby or a liking. And when you start dedicating time towards it, then it starts taking a shape of a passion. And passion is a big word.
Yep.
And it's infinity. So for me, passion is infinity. Agar I would stop growing into my passion. I stop learning into my passion. Then there is no way whatever 10 years I've given into it, it's like it will not gonna vanish, but will not thrive in future for me. So the first thing I would tell, which I always tell and meet women and say, is that accept your fear, accept the weaknesses you have. Once you accept it, then only you can sit and rectify it. And whenever you want to learn something, find out, connect with people, meet with them. You have specifically asked me only for women and girls and kids. But I'll tell you, in this big community of motorcycling, as if we keep the gender aside, I have way ahead experience if we keep the gender aside, in terms of riding and technically as well.
Yeah.
And overall, I put it out in a way that for women, it's very soft corner I have, because we don't tend to get into automobiles in very early age. And when I started, I was 28. Now I'm 37. I'm going to be 38 in a few months. So the time when I was already engaged into to do something else in my life, picking up two-wheeler took me also 9 years to really get into it, right? So my first advice is to start it and don't look back.
Yeah.
जस्ट लर्न, थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखो, रोज कुछ कुछ सीखो, चाहे चेन क्लीन करना सीखो, चाहे क्लच कंट्रोल करना सीखो, कुछ भी है, एवरी डे यू गोना लर्न समथिंग एंड दिस इज एंडलेस. एंड do a proper training. Training is very important for kids, for women, and for men also for that matter. Take a proper training for a different kind of terrain you want to go, because that will help you. Invest your money on a right kind of a thing. Right gears, right motorcycle, right training, and right expertise. So if you club this together, that's the best advice I can ever give to anyone. And do research, talk like how we are in this tour. We were just four of us, and we're having three motorcycles. We have a backup. Totally, we are just 6 human beings. I mean, every night we are sitting together. Every time we talk about some or the other thing, we are laughing. We are sharing the knowledge. We're enjoying this space. So when a woman looks into motorcycling, she has to look it as a complete package. Don't think that, okay, for social media, for a couple of pictures, for get appreciation and compliment in my community, I should do it. No, you have to be more aware. You have to be ready to experience the best.
Yeah.
And we have all kind of, I'm there. You can, message me, connect with me whenever you want. You want to talk with me, anything, because I know that I cannot cater everybody, but maybe I can cater few and train few, and they can go ahead. And I think that's the future of motorcycling and community in India. And women has a lot of, all of us have foundations, all of us has baggages, and I think take motorcycling as a inner self discovery and growth, not just for because it's a herd mentality. So avoid that herd mentality and be more aware, where right riding gears, invest on research, and follow some good channels on YouTube where people are telling you about each and everything about the gears. Your money is important, your time is important, your life is important. Riding motorcycles is the biggest risk. And nowadays we have been discussing this कि बहुत accidents हो रहे हैं, because we all have been jumping on things very fast. 4 लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑफ रोड का वीडियो डाल रहे हैं तो हम भी डालेंगे. ओके, अगर हमने इतनी सुंदर जगह पे हम लोग बैठे अनिनी में, अगर हम उसको सिर्फ वीडियोस में ही कैप्चर करते रहेंगे तो हम रियल सेंस कब फील करेंगे, और हमारी बाइक कैसा साउंड करती है ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में, हम कैसा फील करते हैं. All those things are very important. Then just pictures and videos are also important, because they are gonna take our growth ahead. And it will help us, like how we are sitting, this will reach to 10,000 20,000 people in future, maybe crores in future. It's just that I personally want कि एक बहुत ही healthy, it's very like a very progressive, healthy and motivated community होना चाहिए हमारे लिए. And we are so much in numbers, and women should take it more. or just open your mind, open your body, open your self, and just enjoy. We're enjoying this sunlight, and I think that's what I would like to say.
Great. Thanks, Leela. So,
Now, I would like to ask you.
yeah.
I would like to ask you now. We are on our east of Arunachal Pradesh expedition, and our today is our eighth day,
Yeah.
and we had our own lot of turbulences in this ride, but it happened. So, how was your thought process before joining this, and how would your whole experience you want to summarize it for your
But
people?
it's like like you said, right? I follow most of the professional riders very keen.
Yes.
One, and lot of stuff like that.
Yes.
But you, what is the uh, special thing they give? Why? Because any of their videos, you can
Yeah.
see there is a message coming out of it. I
Yes.
need to take that is the learning.
Yes.
If that when I keep following, at
Yeah.
one point of time, I follow you
Yes.
and your Insta. So it came up. So then I made up my mind because couple of years back I went to Leh.
Yeah.
It's been so long.
Yeah.
You know, the real adventure stuff on the road. So
Right.
last year I went to Nepal, but it was like one or two guys. We were on our own. We were going, but
Yeah.
the learning part was
Missing.
tough.
Mm.
So I want to refresh,
Mm.
unlearn and learn.
Yeah.
From that perspective, I just reached out, and it all right.
It all happened.
It was good coming out and riding with you guys. It's a learning for me because you are more skilled in this space.
Yes.
So how do ride? What techniques you are on, and when you the partnering, what sort of level of approach you make.
Yes.
These are all the things I'm observing and putting it into my
Skill set.
skill set.
Yeah.
This is how it's going. Lot of learning, and especially the 4 5 days back, how tough the terrain. It's so slightly skiddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
How to control, balance it off. Smoothly we were getting
Correct.
coming.
Yeah.
This is a good learning.
Yes.
It gives the confidence for the entire team.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So this is what my experience, and I'm looking for future rides.
And a lot of people don't like to come so far, है ना? Northeast is a space जहाँ पे लोग बहुत ही they try to search the commercial places, and they don't like to go to the places which is with such an amazing beauty. And आपको कैसा लगा the route? How did you find the beauty? How would you like to put that in your words?
That's what I said. It's something unexplored. If I have to write word, it's something I'm writing for the first time in this area. It's more like I feel I'm getting connected.
Yes.
So in my blog also I was just talking.
Yeah.
It's like a heaven.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Why? Because something where there is the human habitation is much lesser.
Yes.
Like you mentioned, the commercial aspect is very,
No.
very less.
Yeah.
So we are moving as humans in the right way.
Yes.
And that experience gives a lot.
Yeah.
And that too on a machine. And we need to respect the nature. So we are following most of all these things.
Yeah.
So it's very different
Yes.
what we did. Like Leh and all, we know that A, B,
यहाँ हाँ इधर जा सकते हैं, इधर जा सकते हैं, इधर चाय मिल जाएगा, इधर राइस मिल जाएगा,
कुछ नहीं।
कुछ भी या अभी हम लोग खुद ही कुक कर रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, जितना मिल रहा है। मतलब कौन खाता है ब्रेकफास्ट में मैगी, बट हम लोगों ने खाया है ब्रेकफास्ट में मैगी। एंड ऑल्सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम वी आर गेटिंग चैनलाइज्ड बाय नेचर सो वेल। हम नहीं चला रहे, हमें नेचर चला रहा है यहाँ पे। अगर वी गॉट स्टक इन लैंडस्लाइड फॉर 3 nights and we were all saying that okay just be with us, you know, when we are in city हम लोग इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं लाइफ में, और कमर्शलाइजेशन का मतलब एक्सप्लोरेशन कम हो जाती है, और वो बहुत सारे और फैक्टर्स को प्रमोट करता है। तो आई एम गोना कीप डूइंग बहुत तरीके की डिफरेंट राइड्स। और आपको लगता है कि इस टेरेन में 4-wheeler will also have a good scope to
Yeah.
experience?
See, that is what all along, when we, the two-wheelers are riding,
Yeah,
there is a big opportunity for the four-wheelers to come and see these places. Number one.
absolutely. Yeah.
And people who don't want to risk can always sit in the four-wheeler.
Yes,
They can see the places.
exactly.
This is the nature beauty, number one.
Uh,
Number two, they can also observe how these guys ride,
Very true.
and slowly they can put their hands on the machine and they can start doing that.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Have to start.
very
So we
true.
should not hesitate. I would suggest that whoever is watching this, please come out from your comfort zone.
Very true.
Take an attempt. Life is so beautiful. The places are so beautiful.
This
And
is
with the machine you come and ride with such an experienced, person, you will learn a lot.
yeah. There's always be a scope. Abhi, now we are sitting in the month of April. We have an upcoming. I have another upcoming batch which is going to be in December. So this place is very different in December. It's very different in April.
Yeah.
And even I learned so much about this place in this month. I've always traveled in winters. I saw the beauty to the extreme level. I think in this aaj ke stretch mein of 120 kilometers, we have probably seen 200 waterfalls. And if we come in the winters, it will be gonna go half because it's different. But the river, the adventure sports is also picking up here. Lot of things gonna come, but it's gonna come slow. As jitna kam aayega, I think itna acha hai because we can enjoy the nature so much. And I really appreciate you coming up and also this amazing platform of yours. I want you to explore more. I want you to do the best in your future as well and connect with more and more amazing people in your future rides and give us also some learning because we are all here to learn
Yes.
and grow together. So, and ride safe always. Respect the places you are going, respect your skills, and respect what everybody needs in today's time, which is humanity. And please be good with the animals when you are riding and in general.
So, guys, this is what we are trying to bring it out. What they do,
Yeah.
what future I do, who can do. So almost it's big is that I can put the Insta ID of Samira down and connect with her directly,
Mm.
and you can learn about it.
Yeah.
Life is they are fully go
Yes.
ahead and do it.
Yes.
Thanks, Samira, once again.
Thank you so much, sir. It was
Yeah.
pleasure. And now we have our khichdi there. So sir will shoot about that and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.
Bye.
Bye.